Now we have done all of the settings, like we have set drawing units and measuring units, drawing limits as well. So it is time to save this template in any location. Before that, I want to change some of the option from status bar, as I do not want to display this grid here in this template. So I will just off this and this ortho mode as well. So I will off this as well, and make sure that these two options are on, that object snap tracking and object snap option. Okay, and I just want to off this one as well. And if you want to just add some of the option here, or you do not find any option here, you can just go here in customization and you can add. For example, I just want to add dynamic input as well, and this is on here. You can see I just want to turn off this as well, so I will turn off from here as well. Now it is done from here, and the next step is I will just save this template. So I will just go here in application button, and from here I will go in save as option, and you can see here is the option for drawing template. So I will click here, and now we are in template option. Okay, now we can just save this template in any location. So I want to just save it in desktop, so I will click here, and I want to just give it name as exe template. Okay, and then you can see here extension as twt, so I will just save it in desktop. So I will click here to save. Now it is asking about write any description here. You can just write description. So right now I do not need any description, so I will click OK. So it is saved now, okay, on desktop.